Hello, everybody. Welcome to Gamble with Jimmy. Thank you for taking the time to join me in this Baccarat session. For those of you that are interested in learning Baccarat, or you are an experienced player but you're having difficulty with money management, not leaving when you're supposed to be leaving, making incorrect bet sizing, please go to my website, gamblewithjimmy.com, and you can order the Baccarat training program that I have. Also, I have a good Baccarat strategy on there as well. All right, we're going to go ahead and play a course or a session today, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to win consistently with this particular strategy. We're going to go like this, okay? We're going to start it off, and we're going to start with a quarter on player. Okay, so we're going to lose. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and stay on player, but we're going to raise our bet from 25 to 50. Okay, so we're going to get the win, and now we're going to switch it over to banker for a quarter. Okay, we're going to stay on banker, and we're going to raise our bet. That's a tie, so we're going to repeat it. Okay, so we're going to lose. We're going to take a look at the history here. Now, this is a tie, so it only has 2 wins in a row. So we're going to go ahead and play the chop as again. We're going to bet $100 on banker. Okay, we're going to lose there. Okay, so now we have 3 wins in a row. So we're going to switch to the winning side, and we're going to do $200 on player. What that does, when we switch to the winning side, it doesn't mean that you're going to win that bet. But what it does is it takes the momentum where you go with the momentum, because we don't want to keep losing to a run. We don't want to lose to a streak. Okay? So we're at a $50 profit. We're going to take a look at the board. Now this side is still winning here. Okay? So we're going to continue to play the winning side, but we are going to reduce our bet to a quarter. Okay, that's a tie, so we're just going to repeat that bet. Okay, so we're going to get the loss there. Now, in Baccarat, let me share this with you. There's really no reason for you to lose. You should not be losing when you go to the casino. You can easily win in Baccarat. The money management is crucial. It's crucial. And that's what I specialize is money management. When you take my training courses, once you hear it and you watch it, you'll understand why I win. And I'm here to share with you how to do it. Okay. So we have a chop. It went to the chop side. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Because player has only won 2 times, we feel pretty confident here that we're going to get at least one, or I'm sorry, banker. We feel confident that we're going to get at least 1 win here with banker out of the next 4. I feel pretty confident of that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with banker. Now we're going to, instead of starting off at a quarter, I feel very confident that we're going to at least win 25% of our bets. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and start it with 100. Okay, we're going to actually win the very first one. So we won 100% of our banker bet. So we're good. Okay, and now we're up $120. And what we'll do now is we will go back to playing a chop. We'll go back with the player, okay? Now, if you do not know Baccarat at all, like a complete beginner, I do have beginner courses as well that teaches you how to read this, how to understand the game. But for the more experienced player, they want to know how I win. And so you can get that from the Baccarat training access, okay? All right, so we're going to go with the chop. Okay, we're going to tie. So on a tie, just repeat it. Okay, we're going to lose there. And we're going to go ahead and go with banker again, but we're going to go up to 100 now. Okay, we're going to get the win. Okay, so we're up $215. Let's go back to the chop on player. Okay, we're going to win 2-1. Okay, we'll go ahead and stay Actually, you know what? Let's go with a chop on banker. Okay, that's a tie. Okay, we're going to win. We'll go with the chop on player. We're going to win. We'll go a chop on banker. Okay, we're going to lose. Let's stay on banker and raise our bet. We win. Go back to player. We win again. Back to banker. Okay, we're going to lose. We're going to stay on banker and double it. Okay, we're going to lose again. So let's take a look at what's going on. And as you can see, this player has won 3 in a row. So I'm going to go ahead and start playing the winner now because I do not want to go against a streak. And let's go 100 on player. Okay, that's a tie. Now, this is called a blazing 7. So we would have just won $1,200 there because we always do a little side bet. This simulator doesn't have it, but we do a little side bet here where we would put a quarter on that, $25, and that would pay $1,200 right there. A 7-7 tie, 2 card. If this was 3 cards and 3 cards and it was a 7, it would pay $5,000, 200 to 1. Isn't that crazy? So we're just going to repeat the bet. Yeah, at the casino, man, people win that all the time. All right, so we're going to get the win. Let's go back to a chop again. Okay, we're going to win. Go back to a chop. That's a tie, so let's just repeat it. Okay, we're going to lose that. Let's double the bet. Okay, we're going to lose that too. That means that this one was a tie, so I'm going to go ahead and do the chop again. I'm going to stay with player here for a chop. And we're going to get the win 9-0. Okay, so we're up $410. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead now and just show you. I could sit here and get us up to $2,000. I can consistently win $10,000 every week playing Baccarat. I'm one of the top players in Baccarat and craps. Those are my 2 games that I specialize in. Okay, so for you guys, this is the website here. So what you can do when you get to the website, gamblewithjimmy.com, just come over here where it says training options. You can do craps training, Baccarat training. You can get top roulette strategies, Baccarat strategies. And so you're going to click on the training. It says click here for options. And then it's going to go ahead and give you the Baccarat training. It's very affordable, guys. It's only $99 for it, which is super affordable. You can read all about it on there, and then you could go ahead and just buy it and check out. And what will happen is you will get the videos sent to you for your private viewing, and you can go ahead and learn those on your own time. And once you watch that course, you're going to feel so much better, and it's going to improve your game tremendously. So if you have any desire to become really good at Baccarat, I'm not exaggerating. You could do really well. But remember, on your side, the key is money management, bet sizing. You have to play very intelligently when you're playing Baccarat. The biggest problem that I see is bet sizing. Bet sizing is just horrible. And that's one of the things that's covered in the training, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching Gamble with Jimmy. I hope to hear from you, and I will see you on the next video. Everybody take care and have a wonderful day.